Are you a skilled worker looking to bring your family to join you in your new home country? Applying for a dependent visa can be a complex process, but with the right guidance, it can be done smoothly. The UK Skilled Worker Dependent Visa is a visa category for the dependents of skilled workers who are already in the United Kingdom. The first step in the process is to ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria for the visa. This includes being in a valid employment or self-employment status and being able to financially support your dependents. Next, you will need to complete the online application form and provide all the required documents. This includes your passport, proof of financial support, and a valid job offer letter. It is important to double-check that you have included all the necessary documents and that they are up to date. This will save you time and avoid delays in the process. Once the application is submitted, you will need to pay the visa fee and schedule an interview. The interview is an opportunity for the immigration officials to ask you more about your situation and verify your documents. If your application is approved, your dependents will be granted a visa and can join you in your new home country. With the right guidance and preparation, the dependent visa application process can be a smooth and stress-free experience for you and your family. How we can help? CGM app is an end-to-end immigration app, designed to make immigration and global mobility seamless. It is designed specifically for expats, sponsoring companies, and immigration consultants globally. Visit compartners.org.uk/register for more information.